So thankfully for doing this annotated bibliography for this class, I was able to actually learn a lot in, the different ways of proper techniques and methods that are appropriate for working with this population. Some of my key learnings from this include the pairing of CBT and medication provide the best treatment results. This was one of my highlighted research statements that I found because not only is it important to just know in general for the aspect of being able to work with this population, but it's also the services that we provide at my internship as well. We use both CBT as well as medication management with a on-site ARNP in order to provide the best treatment that we can for these clients that are unemployed, uninsured, and can't really afford to be receiving services any other way. So being able to find this research on this specifically was very almost affirming of what we do at my internship and at my agency is truly what works, and I can, see that through the work that I have done and the results that my patients have had. But on top of that, also being able to see the research and the statistics showing that, the pairing of this is what works best. So moving forward, other key learnings include the LGBT young adults are at increased risk of depressive symptoms. This is also really important of just having an awareness as a professional or a clinician in the mental health field, to be able to know that, the LGBT youth are, if you're working with that population, are going to have increased risk of having either MDD or just symptoms of depression, and it's something to have that awareness too. So then there's also the LGBT individuals are more needed for mental health services than heterosexual populations. Then there is no substantial difference between CCBT versus RCBT as interventions for MDD. So I'll be able to explain that further in just a little bit. And then the final one is causes of MDD and LGBT population can include internalized and externalized depression.